Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we're going to be mixing up an absolute favorite of mine, the Bourbon Renewal. Before we do that, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a single episode of the show. Also, please feel free to leave comments below. We absolutely love to read your comments and or suggestions. Now, on to the cocktail. This cocktail, the Bourbon Renewal, is tart but yet sweet, but it is just absolutely fantastic. I'm going to start out with a ½ ounce of simple syrup. We're going to move on from the simple syrup, and I'm going to pour a full ounce lemon juice. Full ounce of lemon juice. For our spirits, I have a ½ ounce of Crème de cassis. Crème de cassis basically is a black currant liqueur. And we just need a ½ ounce. Now to our main spirit of the cocktail, bourbon. I'm using Angel's Envy. You can use the bourbon of your choice, but we want to pour in 2 full ounces of bourbon. And that's all the ingredients of the cocktail. I'm going to get some ice in this shaker, and we're going to give it a shake.
You need to scoop.
All right, that should do it. I have a double rocks glass here ready to go, filled with ice. So no double strain necessary. We're just going to single strain right into the glass. I have a couple of blackberries that I put in the freezer. Give a little bit of a texture difference, a little bit of a color to the blackberries, and that, my friends, is the Bourbon Renewal. That is great. It really is one of my favorites. Very tart, but yet very sweet. It's an excellent cocktail. Excellent. Thank you for watching today. I hope you try this at home. Truly, this is an excellent cocktail for you to try at home. You can find us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also hit us up on Instagram at SLB Drinks. But whatever you do, we always ask you to please drink responsibly. See ya.